Welcome to Cumbias Customs.
It has been established that persons who have recently died have been returning to life and seeking human victims.
Today we're going to be installing a Ford Raptor grille on a 5th gen Ford Explorer. I'm going to show you how to remove the factory grille and install the new one, and also how to install the LED lights. If you want to know how I installed the letters on the hood, watch my next video. I ordered this grille online. I'll show you the link in the description, and there's a lot of options to pick from. The one we're going to be installing is a 3 LED light grille with a matte black finish like the original Raptor grille. The letters of the grille and the grille arrived separately. We're going to be installing the letters on the grille. The car we will be using is a 2011 Ford Explorer. With the car in park, we will be opening the hood. Remove 7 10mm screws and 2 clips on top of the grille. It's faster if you use a clip remover. Remove the top plastic to remove 4 nuts that keep the grill in its place. It's a little bit difficult to remove, but it has 2 nuts, 1 on each side and 2 in the middle. The 2 nuts on the sides are hard to reach, but you can pull the grill a little and use a ratcheting wrench. This is where you can find them. With the 4 nuts off, you can gently pull the grill out of its place. This is the new grill. Change the clips and screws from the old grill to the new grill. Don't forget the top clips. Apply pressure to attach the clips. Put the nuts in the screws. For the LED lights, we're going to be connecting them to the always on lights, so that way when the lights turn on, they're always on. In this case, it's going to be the yellow wire, and the negative we're going to be connecting to the frame. Check the lights work. If you want to see a video dedicated to this, I'll leave a link in the description. We're going to hide the wires out of sight. Put the plastic back on with the screws and clips. I hope this video helped you with your project. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this.